Portable size. 2.5 inches, 0.16 thickness. Small circle glass mirror fits your bag, purse or even your pocket. 3 options by color. 6 colors, black, white, chose the color you want. Multi-layer protection. Plastic inner ring, fixed mirror frame and tinplate, paper cover the back. Blank mirror. DIY friendly, good for arts, decoration, DIY projects, keepsakes of gathering, etc. A great gift. Perfect gift for birthday, Christmas, wedding, charity, baptism, church, etc. Note: products with electrical plugs are designed for use in the U.S. Outlets and voltage differ internationally, and this product may require an adapter or converter for use in your destination. Please check compatibility before purchasing. Top reviews from the United States. Exactly what I expected. Great little mirrors. These mirrors are the perfect addition for gift boxes I'm putting together for a group of ladies. I love this purchase. I will buy more and give them out to friends. Great value for the price.